Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to access the Flipgrid and how to make a recording on Flipgrid. So first of all, you'll need to go to this slide here and you'll see that there's a link down the bottom in blue. Click on that link and it will take you to a page that looks like this. You'll need to use your school email for the best Flip experience. So to do that, you'll need to click on Continue with Google, the one with the big rainbow G. Then you'll click on your name or your email. You might need to type it in, not sure, we'll see. Then from here you'll have the group that you're part of, that you've been invited to. I've got a few extra groups because I'm Miss Earl and I've already made a few. You'll click on the purple button for record, and that will take you to a screen like this. Hey! So once you're here, you can then click on this button down the bottom. It will give you a countdown, and then you'll be able to record your video. You can sing la 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 la, and in this case I'm asking you to sing the parts of the Mass. So I want you to sing the Lord have mercy, the Holy Holy, and the Lamb of God. Give it a go. Once you're confident that you've got it, click on stop, which is the same button as record, and then you click on next. And then you'll be able to record your video. So then you can watch over your video. Please do not add any music, but what you can do is you can trim it or split it if you like. If you trim it, that just makes it shorter. I personally think it's easier to do in just one take, so I'm going to leave my video alone. Then you click on next. If you would like, you can add a little selfie. So I like to do like a funny one, something like that. Take your photo. Once you're happy with your selfie, you can click on confirm. Add your name to the caption. So in my case, it's Mrs. Manson. Video explaining Flipgrid. But in your case, you might type something like name and what part of the Mass you're singing. The Lord have mercy, for example. All right. Once you're happy with that, you then click on post a topic. Allow it to upload before you close anything on your browser. It will produce some fireworks and that tells you that you're done. Once you're done, you can click on go to topic and then you should be able to see your video there. You might even be able to see other students' videos there. When you look at the videos, you can actually add all sorts of different things to those videos. So do experiment a little bit, see what works for you. All right, I wish you the best of luck.